Good afternoon, everyone. Hi, guys. How are you? Today we are gonna start a new lesson, lesson 6.4. Let's open your book, page 346. Yes, Royan.
Mr. Mo'men, yesterday things sent the homework.
Yes.
This question 25 times 100 divided by 100.
20 divided by 100?
No.
25 divided by 100?
Yeah, over.
Yes.
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, let me write it. Let me write it. Okay, it will be 25 divided by 100, like that, right?
Yes.
25 over 100, yes.
I did it
The
with
simplest
the
form. The simplest form, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What's wrong with it?
The correct answer was 4.
You mean 1 over 4, right?
Yes.
Yes. So?
But they said it was wrong.
Are you sure? Okay, I will check it on my account and I will send to your mom on WhatsApp. Okay, man? Okay, thank you, man.
Okay.
Okay, guys, let's start. By the way, don't try this. Don't try it, all of that. Yes, Mr. Adam.
I want to be able to be writing like the book because I've been like searching the book because I didn't see. I want to check in the place where I put my books. I don't see it.
So you don't have your book, right?
Yeah, I don't know where it is.
The volume 2, the other book, not the first book.
Yeah.
The other book. What about lesson 6.1 and 6.2, 6.3, 6.2?
Yeah, I thought I had it, but it turned out it was volume 1. I don't know where.
Okay, you need to find it, man.
Okay.
Okay, search for it again. Okay, let's start. Today we're gonna learn how to generate a new fractions with a common denominator. Okay, Mr. What the meaning of common denominator? Okay, firstly, let's get the meaning of denominator. Okay, let's write a fraction like that. We have, let's say, 2 over 3. 2, this part, the upper part, is called numerator. Okay, the upper part is called numerator. And the lower part here is called denominator. So the upper part is called numerator and the lower part is called denominator. Okay, now today we're gonna try to find a common denominator of two fractions. Okay, let's try this example with us. We have here 4 over 5 and 1 over 2. Okay, write this pair of fraction with a common denominators. Okay, If you want to write this pair of fractions with a common denominator, let's rewrite it here to explain. So we have 4 over 5 and 1 over 2. We want to get a common denominator for both fractions. Okay. The first question we're gonna ask ourselves here, we have 5 and 2. We are dealing with the lower parts here. We are dealing with the denominators here. Okay, let's ask the big number, 5. Are you a multiplication table of the small number? So 5, are you a multiplication table of 2? Can anybody help me with it? Is 5 a multiplication table of 2? Yes, Ayham.
No,
No, of course
it
no.
is not.
There is no number multiplied by 2 gives us 5. Thank you, Ayham. So, in this case, you have to multiply them together. You have to multiply both denominators together. Okay, so it will be 10 and 10. So that's our new denominator. That's our common denominator. So multiply both of the denominators, the lower parts of each fraction that we have, and repeat our fraction or our denominator. So we have a new denominator here, which is 10. That's our common denominator. Okay, after that, you have to generate an equivalent fraction, as we learned before. To generate an equivalent fraction with a new denominator, which is 10, you have to make scissor. Do you know scissor? Scissor, like scissor, okay? This way is called scissor way. So we're gonna make scissor here. So let's start with 4. 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. And 5 multiplied by 1 equals 5. So you have to start with 4 and end with 1. So 2 multiplied by 4 and 5 multiplied by 1. So 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8 and 5 multiplied by 1 equals 5. So that's our new fractions with a common denominator. So our new fraction is 8 over 10 and 5 over 10, as you see here. So that's how can we put 4 over 5 and 1 over 2 in the new denominator with the common denominator, 8 over 10 and 5 over 10. Okay, guys, you have 2 minutes to write this. Hurry up, please. Okay, guys, let's move to the next page. Okay, write this first and then I'll explain. Okay, guys, let's see here how can we generate a new fraction with a common denominator. Okay, let's see our question here. Write the pair of fraction as a pair of fractions with a common denominator. Okay, let's think about the first one. Okay, we have to ask ourselves the first question. We are dealing with the lower parts, the denominators. So I will ask the big number. Where is the big number here? 4 or 2? Of course 4. So I will ask 4. Are you in multiplication table of the small number which is 2? So 4 in multiplication table of 2, right? So what we're going to do in this case, if the big number in multiplication table of the small number, so you have to put the big number as the same, 1 over 4. Okay? And after that, let's try to convert the small number into the big number. How can we convert 2 to become 4? So we're going to multiply by 2, right? To convert this 2 to be 4, so you have to multiply it by 2. We are trying to make the two denominators are the same, to be the same. So 2, if we want to make it as 4, so you have to multiply it by 2. So it becomes 2, it becomes 4. So after that, you have to, as we learned before, if you did anything down, you have to do the same up, right? So you have to multiply up by 2 as well. So 1 multiplied by 2 equals what here? Equals 2. So that's our answer. So we have a new fractions here with a new denominator with a common denominator, which is 4. That's the first way. By the way, we can generate a lot of fractions. We can generate many fractions like that, okay? But we have to wait. That's the first way, to ask the big number, okay? The second way, the scissor way. The scissors way, you have to multiply and make scissors, okay? Let's rewrite it here. And let's generate another fraction with a common denominator using scissors way. So let's the first step in scissors way, you have to multiply the lower parts by each other. So we have 2 multiplied by 4 equals 8. And rewrite it 2 times. 2 multiplied by 4, we are dealing with the lower parts. Don't forget. So 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. Let's rewrite it 2 times. Then let's make scissors, as you see here. So 4 multiplied by 1, you have to start with the 1, okay? Because it started with it. So 4 multiplied by 1 equals 4. And 2 multiplied by 1 equals 2. So we have another 2 fractions with a common denominator, which is 8 in this case. And they are equivalent to our original fractions. So we have 2 ways here. First way, ask the big number. The second way, scissors. Okay. Who can help me with the next one, number 3? Okay, I see Faris and Ayham. Who else? And Abdul Muhsin. Faris and Ayham and Abdul Muhsin. Come on, guys, turn on your cam. I can't see you like that. Okay, Abdul Muhsin.
Yes.
Yes, Abdul Muhsin, number 3. What the first step or the first way to generate a new fractions with a common denominator?
First, we have to rewrite it.
We have to ask. Firstly, ask the big number. What is the big number here? The big denominator? 8. So what we're going to ask here?
What gives us 8 in the multiplication of 4? 4 multiplied by 2.
So the first step, you have to put the number here as the same, right?
Yeah. They both.
So, and here what we're going to multiply to convert the 4 into 8?
We're gonna put 2.
2. So we're going to multiply by 2 to give us 8. As we did down, we do the same up, right?
Yeah.
So we're going to multiply by 2 up. So it becomes
6.
6. Great. So that's our answer. Thank you so much, Abdul Muhsin. You're so smart,
welcome.
Man. Okay. Who can help me with the other way, scissors way? Okay, Royan.
Okay, the scissor way.
Let's see. Let's rewrite it here. Yes.
So first we'll do 8 with 3.
Okay, it's correct. But the first thing, to generate a common denominator, you have to deal with the denominators first, okay?
Okay.
The denominators are 4 and 8, right? So you have to multiply them first. That's the first step in this way, okay? So let's multiply them first. 4 multiplied by 8 equals
32.
32. So let's write it twice here. And then you can multiply by scissors.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we're gonna do 8
You have to
times
start
3.
with 3. Yes.
So then with the 8, so it's gonna become
Eight by 3 equals what, man?
Oh, it's 24.
24, excellent. Take your time. 4 multiplied
No.
by 5.
No, Mr. Ahmed, Mr. Mo'men, I was waiting because I heard everything silent. That's why I didn't move or say anything.
It's okay, it's okay. So after that, 4 multiplied by 5.
20.
20, great. So the new fractions here is 24 over 32 and 20 over 32. We have a new fraction with a common denominator. In this case, the common denominator is 32. Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Ryan. Great job, man.
You're welcome, Mr. Mo'men. You're the best teacher.
You too, my best and my favorite student, man.
Thank you.
Okay, the next one, Ali Sahati.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, Ali, tell me, number 4. We have 1 over 3 and 1 over 4. What the first question or what the first way we're gonna use here?
1 of 3.
What?
1 of 3.
Yes. What the first way to get a common denominator here?
3 and 4.
So 3 and 4. Let's ask the big number. What is the big number here, Ali?
4.
4. Let's ask 4. Are you in multiplication table of 3?
No.
No. So in this case, we can't use the first way. Okay?
Okay.
So let's use directly scissors way. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's rewrite it first. We have 1 over 3 and 1 over 4. Yes. What the first step in scissors way?
We multiply 4 by 1 equals 4.
No, what the first step?
Oh, sorry. I mean, we put the 3 and 4 together. I will multiply it, I mean.
Yes.
So 3 multiply 4 equals 12.
12. So let's write it twice. And then?
Then we will do the scissors.
Okay.
4 multiplied by 1 equals 4. Then 3 multiplied by 1 equals 3.
Okay, that's our new fraction with a new common denominator, which is 12. Thank you so much, Ali. Great job, man. You're so smart.
Thank you. And you too. You are smart.
Okay. The next one, number 5. Faris.
First, we rewrite it.
No. First, you have to ask.
Yeah. The 12 isn't 12.
12
You mean
isn't
8
the multiplication table of 8. Okay? Right?
No.
No.
We'll take scissors.
Okay, let's rewrite it. 4 over 12 and 5 over 8. Yes. What the first step here?
12 multiply 8.
Okay, let's multiply 12 by 8. Okay, let's multiply it here. Yes.
8 multiply 2 is 16. And 8 multiply 1, 8 plus 1, 9.
So that's our common denominator, right? Okay, let's write it here. Yes.
Then 8 multiply 4.
Yes.
8 multiply 4. 32.
32. And 12 multiplied by 5, let's write it here.
2 multiply 5 is 10, 0, 3 have 1, 5 multiply 1 is 5, so 5 plus 1, 6.
So it will be 60. So that's our new fractions with a common denominator is 96. Okay, thank you so much, Faris. Great job, man. Okay, the next one. I'll choose randomly, guys. Yusuf, what are you doing? What are you doing, Yusuf? Yusuf, I can't hear you.
Yes, mister, I was closing my mic.
So what are you doing? I see you
I was
playing.
doing nothing.
Are you sure?
Yes, because only my stomach is hurt from Nawar. Nawar, he is sick, and my dad told him, don't go to anyone, and he come to me.
Okay, I hope you get well soon, both of you. Okay, can you help me with the number 6?
Yes.
Okay. 1/4 and 5/6. What the first question we're gonna ask here?
First, 4 divide multiply 6.
That's the first way?
I'm not sure about that, but
Because you're not paying attention, man. You have to pay attention, please, okay?
okay.
Okay, I'll get back to you, okay? Okay, Mahdi.
I am here. I am
Hi, Mahdi, how are you? Can you help me with the number 6?
Numbers. Yeah.
So we have
Alright.
6 and 4. What the first question we're gonna ask?
We will do 6. 2. 6.
Is 6 in multiplication table of 4?
No.
No. So in this case, we're gonna move directly to scissors way, okay?
Okay.
So 1/4
1/4
and
equals
5/6. So let's make scissors way. What the first step to make scissors?
1 multiply by 1 multiply by 5 and 4 multiply by 6.
No, I didn't say that, man. You have to start with the denominator, the lower parts. So you have to multiply first 4 by 6 to generate the common denominator, okay?
Yeah.
So 4 by 6 equals what here?
24.
24. So let's rewrite it here. And then you have to make scissors, okay?
Yeah.
So 6 multiplied by 1 equals what?
6.
6. And 4 multiplied by 5 equals
20.
20. So that's our new fraction with a new common denominator, and we can generate more than the common denominators, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mahdi. Okay, I'll choose someone else. Sulaiman al-Hamad. Sulaiman, are you there? I can't hear you. Sulaiman, check your mic.
Now you can hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Okay, number 7, Sulaiman.
Okay.
What the first step we're gonna use here?
5. No, here we can 10, here 10.
So, what the first question we're gonna ask? Where is the big number? The 10 is the big number. So, what we're gonna ask 10 here?
You are in multiplication number or no?
Yes, so 10 in multiplication table of 5 or no?
Yeah.
So, what we're gonna do in this case? In this case, if we have 10 in multiplication table of 5, so you have to put 4 over 10 as the same, okay? And you will try to convert 5 into 10. How can we convert the 5 into 10? By multiplying it by what?
By 2.
By 2, great. So it will be 10. So after that, as we did down, you have to do the same up. So you have to multiply by what up?
Up by 6.
By 2
No, not by
again.
6.
If you
Sorry.
multiply 2 down, you have to multiply up 2. Okay? So
Okay.
2 multiplied by 3.
2 by 3. It's that 6.
6. So that's our answer. So we have a new fraction with a common denominator, which is 10. Thank you, Sulaiman. Okay, now let's see how can we know that the fractions are equivalent or not, both equal or not equal. How can we know that? By using scissors as well, okay? Let's see how. I will explain it and then you can try it with me. Okay, for example, 2 over 3 equivalent or not equivalent to 4 over 6. Okay, how can we know that they are equivalent or not? Okay, by using scissors, you don't need to multiply the lower part. You don't need to multiply the denominators. In this case, you need to multiply using scissors, only the scissors. Okay, so it will be 3 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 6. So 6 multiplied by 2 equals 12, write it here, and 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12 as well. So if you have the same numbers, so they are equivalent. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try 4 over 5 and 2 over 3. Okay, let's make scissors. 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10, and 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. They are not equal. We have here 12 and we have here 10. So these fractions are not equivalent, not equal to each other. That's how to know that the numbers are equivalent or the fractions are equivalent or not. Okay? Okay, let's see number 8. Who can help with number 8? Number 8. Ahmed Shammasi. I didn't hear your voice today, man.
Hi.
Hi, Ahmed. Why you're not raising your hand?
I don't know.
Is it hard? Is the lesson hard?
No.
Okay. Can you help with number 8?
Yes.
So let's rewrite it here.
Yes.
Okay, tell me, how can we know that they are equivalent or not?
Okay.
How can
Okay.
we know that?
4 by 2, and then
No, no, no. Just make scissors. Forget about the denominators. Okay?
okay. Okay.
Just make scissors like that. 3
Okay.
by 2 equals 6.
6.
And
And
4 by
4 by
1.
1, 4.
So they are equal or not?
They're not.
So they are not
What is
equivalent.
what called?
Because we have here 6 and we have here 4. And they are not equal to other, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Ahmed, the next one. Number 9.
We'll do the same. We will rewrite it. And 4 by
Okay.
6 and
Let's
3 by
rewrite
8.
it 3 over 4 and 6 over 8. Yes.
Okay. 4 by 6 is 24.
24.
And 8 by 3 is 24. So it's equal.
So they are equal to each other. So our answer is equal. Okay, guys, that's our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Don't forget to check your homework on Think Central. Okay? Bye.